I really don't think we're going to see the death of the electricity grid. A lot of people are talking about it, but I really think there's so much vested interest in it for a start. But the other element is that there will be people and industries that still need the electricity grid in some form. So it's very unlikely that we would see mass off-gridding, if you like. I really believe the grid can survive distributed generation and storage. It can do that through a couple of different ways. The first one would be to change the planning approach, so to look at these things as a provider rather than something that's a weight on the system. And so that then changes the way grids are designed and the way grids are built, and so the build becomes more cost effective based on the knowledge that people will be installing embedded generation. The second way I would say is that we need to essentially get some synergy between large-scale generation and small-scale generation and storage so that we can maximise the effect of large-scale generation, particularly renewables and particularly intermittent renewables. I believe the grid of the future will look a little bit the same as what we've got now, but maybe a little bit different too. So the same part will be that there'll still be a place for large-scale generation feeding large industry, and therefore that we will still need a bulk transmission system. But it's probably at the distribution level, the poles and wires type level, where the changes will occur. So people will be able to have a much skinnier connection to the grid, if you like, in the future, based on their capacity to generate or store on site. The opportunities for network operators are to essentially engage with customers to provide a grid connection which fits the needs for customers, which is what Grid Connection has always done. It's just that now the customer has a lot more capability to manage their own energy use.